How do you identify, describe, and name pennies? Jamie's aunt gives her a coin. It's a penny. Click the coin to see the word penny. A penny is brown or copper. On the front is a picture of Abraham Lincoln. He was the president of the United States a long time ago. The front of the penny is called heads. There are different pictures on the backs of pennies. Click to see them. This penny has a shield on the back. This penny has a picture of an important building on the back. The back of a penny is called tails. Pennies may have different pictures, but they're all the same size, shape, and color, and they all have a smooth edge. You can count pennies the same way you count counters. Count each penny one time. How many pennies are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 pennies. It doesn't matter if the pennies are head side up or tail side up, or if the tail side has a picture of a shield or a building on it. They're all pennies. Flip the pennies over, then count them again. How many pennies are there now? Great job! There are still 10 pennies.